This is Minute English. There are different parenting styles in families. Some parents don't care. Some parents care about everything. Some parents don't talk to their kids. Some parents never stop talking. One group of parents are called helicopter parents. Helicopter, the machine that flies in the air with a propeller, a helicopter, and it can lift up and move. A helicopter is something that's always above looking down. So a helicopter parent is always watching, ready to stop their kids from hurting themselves. Now, were your parents helicopter parents or not? And was it good or not?